Somebody say this music is taking over my soul. DJ, turn it up. Oh, how the rhythm is playing, my whole body shaking. Don't wanna escape it. DJ, turn it up.
This is the music that I really love. I wrote a song when I'm in love, when I feel so mad, when I feel so lonely. And I wrote too when I feel so happy. In my everyday life I have inspiration that open my mind and my imagination. This is the music that flows in my soul. This is my talent I can show to them all. Rap music is my favorite genre. It is a poem that has a tone. I'm a rapper, I'm a hustler. This is my talent that will live forever. Stay tuned. I will write hip-hop music in this world. I will never forget this, mark my word. I'm a boy that has a mission. All of the people will be proud in my creation.
Somebody save me. This music is taking over my soul. DJ, turn it up. Oh, how the rhythm is playing, my whole body shaking. Don't wanna escape it. DJ, turn it up.
Napusuan ko sa buong buhay ko na maging isang simpleng rapper na nakikita nyo ngayon. Ito ang napusuan ko at nabighani ako na parang isang prinsesa na kinababaliwan ko. Ang musikang ito ay aking naumpisahan at dapat kong tapusin ito hanggang sa hulihan. At ipapakita ko sa inyo ang talas ng aking isipan. Pagsulat ng mga letra siguradong maiiwan sa akin sa pagbigas ng mga salita. Hindi ito paunahan, hindi rin to paligsahan. Matibay ang musika, parang pader na may graffiti. Pinagtatanggol ko lang ito, utos ng aking sarili. Pero pagkakaalam ko lang, mas maangas daw ang rap. Palaliman ng salita, siguradong hindi ka kukurap. Ako ang tinatawag na solidong makata. Mahal ko ang musika, sa bahay pinanggalingan.
Somebody save me. This music is taking over my soul. DJ, turn it up. Oh, how the rhythm is playing, my whole body shaking. Don't wanna escape it. DJ, turn it up.
Ito ang aking talento na dapat ninyong malaman. Sa pagsulat ng mga kanta, sigurado mo papamangha sa aking mga salamangka na parang isang bata na mahilig mag-rap, na may pinapangarap. Ito ang aking musika at dito ko nahasa ang aking isip sa pagbigkas ng malalalim na salita. Ang musikang ito ay aking minamahal at dito nyo makikita ang aking pagkahangad.
I will write this music in this world. 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 I will protect this music in this crazy world, and I will fight for this because I'm not scared. I will protect this music in this crazy world. I will protect this music in this crazy world.
Somebody